Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix csrss.exe errors in Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So make sure that you have the authorization to run CMD in your computer before we proceed. Okay. So for example, this error usually happens caused by malware, system corruption, or misconfigured settings. So fixing this ensures your system runs smoothly and securely. So to start, go to your Windows Start button and search for CMD or the command prompt. Make sure to run as the admin. Then what you need to do is go SFC scan now. Now, doing this prompt will automatically scan your computers for any corrupted files or files that needs to be repaired, and it will do all of those for you while the process is ongoing. So once it hits 100%, it will show most likely that the corrupted files or when those corrupted files has been successfully repaired by this SFC scan now. So you can click on close. You can even restart your computer if you wish, but that should resolve most of your errors regarding if you have encountered this before. So I hope you found this video very helpful.